let's learn about determining servings from a small quantity. How many 3/4 cup servings can be made from a 2/3 cup of yogurt? Well, we have here 2/3 cup of yogurt, and we know that 3/4 cup is a serving. So we're going to break this down to see how many 3/4 cup servings fit into this 2/3. So we're going to divide this by a 3/4. Now, if you remember, dividing by the fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So 2/3 multiplied by a 4/3 here. It's the same problem here. Multiply across the numerator. 2 times 4 is an 8. Divided by 3 times 3 is a 9. So how many 3/4 cup servings can be made from 2/3 cup of yogurt? We can make 8/9 of a serving. I hope you learned something here about determining servings from a small quantity. And as always, thanks for watching.